Are you tired of missing keystrokes or dealing with a lack of responsiveness during intense gaming sessions? Finding the right mechanical keyboard can drastically improve your performance and comfort, but with so many options out there, it's tough to make the right choice. In this video, we'll compare 5 of the best mechanical keyboards available on Amazon in 2026, each catering to specific needs like gaming, typing, and versatility. Stay tuned to find out why our top pick stands out from the crowd. And remember, links to every product are in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Redragon K 556 RGB LED backlit wired mechanical gaming. The Redragon K 556 is a fantastic choice for gamers who enjoy a dynamic aesthetic alongside solid performance. With RGB LED backlighting, you can customize your keyboard to fit your gaming setup or mood, enhancing your overall experience. This keyboard features durable mechanical switches that provide tactile feedback, perfect for fast-paced gaming sessions. It's best suited for budget-conscious gamers who still seek quality and features. A unique standout is its steel frame, which ensures sturdiness. While the keyboard has a USB cable, some users might prefer a wireless option. Overall, the K556 delivers excellent value for its price, making it a top contender for gamers looking for both performance and flair. Aula F2088 typewriter-style mechanical gaming keyboard. Next up is the Aula F2088, a mechanical keyboard that combines retro aesthetics with modern performance. This keyboard is perfect for those who appreciate a vintage look while still craving the responsiveness of mechanical keys. It features a unique typewriter-style design that not only looks great, but also provides a satisfying typing experience. The Aula F2088 is ideal for casual gamers and typists alike, thanks to its comfortable key layout and responsive switches. One of its strengths is the sound feedback, which many find satisfying. However, its unique design may not appeal to everyone, particularly those who prefer sleek, modern keyboards. Overall, it's a standout choice for those looking to add a touch of nostalgia to their workspace. EPOMAKER X Aula F75 Max Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The EPOMAKER X Aula F75 Max is an exceptional option for users seeking versatility and portability. This wireless mechanical keyboard features a compact design while retaining the functionality of a full-sized keyboard. With customizable RGB lighting and programmable keys, you can tailor it to your specific workflow or gaming needs. Ideal for remote workers and gamers alike, its wireless capability adds convenience without sacrificing performance. The F75 Max boasts a strong battery life, ensuring you can use it for hours without interruption. While some users may find the compact layout takes some getting used to, it's a small trade-off for the portability and customization it offers. This keyboard truly shines when you need a reliable device on the go. Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Illuminated Performance. The Logitech MX Mechanical is crafted for those who value premium quality and ergonomic design. This wireless keyboard features low-profile mechanical switches optimized for fast and accurate typing, making it perfect for professionals who spend long hours at their desks. The backlighting adjusts automatically based on your environment, enhancing your typing experience in any lighting condition. It's ideal for both productivity and light gaming, offering a seamless transition between tasks. A slight drawback is its higher price point, which may not suit every budget. Nevertheless, the Logitech MX Mechanical is an excellent investment for those who prioritize comfort and performance in their daily computing. SteelSeries USB Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Claiming the top spot is the SteelSeries USB Apex 5. Known for its hybrid mechanical switches that deliver the best of both worlds, the tactile feel of mechanical keys and the quiet operation of membrane switches. This keyboard is perfect for gamers who want precision and responsiveness without the noisy clatter of traditional mechanical keyboards. The customizable RGB lighting is a standout feature that lets you personalize your gaming setup. Furthermore, its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended gaming sessions. While it does come at a premium price, the solid build quality and performance make it a worthy investment for serious gamers. The Apex 5 truly raises the bar for gaming keyboards in 2026, combining innovation with exceptional performance. Now that you've seen our top 5 picks for mechanical keyboards in 2026, it's time to make an informed choice that enhances your gaming and typing experience. Each of these keyboards offers unique features tailored to different needs. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the best prices, and let us know which keyboard caught your eye in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful reviews.